In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook phone number. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and sign in to your account. Now head over to the menu section. On the menu section, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Under this, go ahead and click on Settings and you'll get redirected to the Settings page. Now on the Settings page, go ahead and click on Account Center. On the Account Center settings, go ahead and click on Personal Details. Click on Contact Info. Now in here, go ahead and delete all of the connected phone numbers on your account to be able to change it into the new one. Since there's no option such as change to do it at once, what you can do is to delete all of those numbers that you don't use anymore before you can go ahead and add your new phone number on the platform. Once you're done deleting it, go ahead and click on the Add New Contact and select Add Mobile Number. And here, go ahead and enter the mobile number that you want to add for your Facebook and Instagram account. You'll need to enter that mobile number in this area before you click on the next button. Now, on the next step, what you'll need to do is to confirm that that mobile number is yours. Now, click on Next to confirm that that mobile number is yours. After that, you'll be able to find this mobile number as the mobile number added to your accounts. And that's how you can simply change Facebook phone number. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.